Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about some GK questions and answers on sport. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification. So, let's start. The term dolphin kick is associated with which sport? The term dolphin kick is associated with swimming. In which year did independent India win its first Olympic gold medal? In 1948, independent India win its first Olympic gold medal. With which sport is the Derby Trophy associated? Derby Trophy is associated with horse racing. The world body governing of which sport has introduced a new game format called triples. The answer is badminton. National Sports Day of India is celebrated on 29th August every year in honor of which sportsperson? National Sports Day of India is celebrated in honor of Major Dhyanchand Singh. A Shot at History, My Obsessive Journey to Olympic Gold is an autobiography of which Indian shooter? A Shot at History, My Obsessive Journey to Olympic Gold is an autobiography of Avinav Bindra. Dronacharya Award is related to which field? Dronacharya Award is related to sports. Which game is originated in India? Chess is originated in India. Indian boxer Mary Kom belongs to which northeastern state? Indian boxer Mary Kom belongs to Manipur. Which award is given to recognize players' lifetime achievement in sports? Dhyanchand Award is given to recognize players' lifetime achievement in sports. In which city are the Summer Olympic Games 2024 to be held? The Summer Olympic Games 2024 to be held in Paris. International Kabaddi Federation was founded in which year? International Kabaddi Federation was founded in 2004. The Taste of My Life is an autobiography of which Indian cricketer? The Taste of My Life is an autobiography of Yuvraj Singh. Which cricketer made his Test debut in Karachi at the age of 16? Sachin Tendulkar made his Test debut in Karachi at the age of 16. The term cherry picking is used in which sport? The term cherry picking is used in basketball. Caesar Cup is associated with which sport? Caesar Cup is associated with football. Who is known as Haryana Hurricane? Kapil Dev is known as Haryana Hurricane. The term address is associated with which sport? The term address is associated with golf. Which stadium is the largest cricket stadium in the world? Melbourne Cricket Ground is the largest cricket stadium in the world. The term put is used in which sport? The term put is used in golf. A Century is Not Enough is an autobiography of which cricketer? A Century is Not Enough is an autobiography of Sourav Ganguly. Gurjit Kaur is associated with which sport? The answer is hockey. Who became the first player of Indian origin to play in an NBA game? Sim Buller became the first player of Indian origin to play in an NBA game. Dibyendu Borua is associated with which sport? Dibyendu Borua is associated with chess. With which sport is the term jab associated? The term jab is associated with boxing. Which Indian cricket player has scored 2 Test triple centuries? The answer is Virendra Sehwag. Who is the first Indian batsman to score 4 centuries in the World Cup? Rohit Sharma is the first Indian batsman to score 4 centuries in the World Cup. Who was the captain of Indian cricket team which won the 1983 World Cup? Kapil Dev was the captain of Indian cricket team which won the 1983 World Cup. With which sport is the Indian player Neeraj Chopra associated? The Indian player Neeraj Chopra is associated with javelin throw. Who is the only Indian to have won an individual Olympic gold medal? Avinav Bindra is the only Indian to have won an individual Olympic gold medal.